What you fixin' DIYers? It's Walker with DIWHY.LIFE, and in this episode we're going to be checking out a 3-in-1 electric shaver by Pritech. We're going to put it up against my Panasonic and see if my Panasonic is 10 times better. First things first, let's get this thing out of the box. It shipped pretty quickly. I think it shipped from within California down to San Diego, so it only took a day. I want to send a shout out to Brian over at Pritech for sending me this to check out. Got some bubble wrap in there. And this is it. 3-in-1 electric razor. So we'll open it right up. So this is a 3-in-1. It's got obviously the shaver to shave your face. It's got a beard trimmer, and it looks like it has a nose hair trimmer attachment. Sideburn trimmer, beard trimmer, yeah. Okay, here's the main shave head, shaving head. It's like a power adapter. It's a brush to kind of brush out all the shaving, the hair, all the cut hair. Got a charge cord. These are your different attachments. It's got the nose hair, nose hair trimmer, and it's got a sideburn trimmer, so you can sharpen up your sideburns. And every once in a while I like to do the back of my neck too. Alright, so let's take a look. It's very small. Quite small. Actually, it's about the same size actually as my Panasonic. Weighs about the same. And once you get the head on, I'm sure that's pretty straightforward. Whoa, careful. Let's try turning it on and see what happens. Oh yeah, works. Hear that? That's the sound of a clean shave. Okay, so that one works. Let's try putting on. Oh boy, how do I do this now? There's probably a trick to this. I don't want to break it. Probably should read the directions. Okay. Attachment installation. Put the shaving head directly out of the main machine. Do not twist. Just pull it. Do not twist. Just pull it. Insert the shaving head. Blah blah blah. So it says just pull it. Yep. Just pull it. Oh, there we go. All right, seems to function. Here we go. A little tricky to get in there, but yeah, everything works. Nice. And I'm assuming to charge the unit, you just plug in, whoopsie, plug in at the base. It's got USB cord, and it came with a little USB brick, that AC adapter to DC. Plug into the wall. You turn the unit on. It tells you your percentage, battery percentage, 94, 93. See, it's going down as it's running. So it came fully charged, which is nice. I don't have to take the time to charge it. Thank you. All right, the real question is, can it compete with, can this $30 electric shaver compete with an over $200 electric shaver? Can a shave be like 10 times better? I guess we'll see. Turn on the 360X2, hit record so we can get all up in my business up here, so we can get a good view. Or we can even turn on some lights here. Oh, hi. Hey. Now this is the first day of my weeks-long vacation. and I haven't shaved all weekend, so I got some decent scruff going. So this will be a good test for the shaver. Let's try the Panasonic first, because I know what this can do. This thing is good. And just, I'm not an exclusive electric shaver kind of guy. I actually shave, most of the time I shave in the shower. I only use an electric shaver when I need to shave real quick and I don't have time to get in the shower and do it in the shower. So I'll just buzz it as I'm headed out the door, just to kind of get rid of the 5 o'clock shadow going on there. So I'm not an exclusive electric shaver, but I do like to have one because it is very handy just to be able to take care of it real quick. So I'll do the right side of my face with the Panasonic, and I'll do the left side with the Pritech, and we'll compare side by side. I've done a pretty good job right here and over here. Maybe this thing is starting to wear out. All right, now let's give the Pritech a try. Oh, whoa, gotta be careful. There's a button to release the shaver head right under the spot that the lid comes off, so it's real easy to accidentally hit the button and flip it up. All right, now let's try the left side with the Pritech. Wow, seems to be working quite well. And it's comfortable. It's not hurting my skin at all. It doesn't seem to be pinching or anything or grabbing onto the hair. Nice. Maybe a little pinch or two on the neck as I'm going along, but nothing too. Wow. You can see it's even better than the Panasonic. Look at that, on my neck. You can see a line where the Pritech did and then the Panasonic missed all this. Huh. Maybe my Panasonic is time to retire the Panasonic. Yeah, I'm impressed. It even got, oh man, I got a nose hair. Why do you guys tell me I got a nose hair? Oh, you know what? Let's take care of that nose hair right now. All right, my wife's gonna love this because she always complains about my spider legs sticking out of my nose. So I'm gonna take care of those. I noticed the older I get, I've started to get hairs growing here and here up on top of my ear, which is kind of weird. So this can take care of those hairs too. And I'm sure the older I get, the more hair I'll get on other random places, but that's good to have. Okay, now let's give the Sideburn trimmer a try. Wow, I like it. Should I go for the vanilla ice? Should I? Actually, no, but I could give my eyebrows a little trim there. They're getting a little Andy Rooney on me. Yeah, careful though. Don't want to take those guys out. Who knew? It's under $40 for this thing, and it works fantastic. It works better than my $200 Panasonic. Now this Panasonic is, I've had this for like 4 or 5 years, so maybe it needs to be replaced, the shave head and the blades and everything. But I'm super impressed. Kudos, Pritech. Well done. way to come out with a product that works fantastic and is a fraction of the cost of one of these. I like it. All right. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, have a question or comment, leave that thing below. And we'll see you next time. All right, now let's go back and finish the side, the Panasonic. Finish what the Panasonic couldn't do. Hey Remy, you want a haircut? I'm just joking. I'm joking, bro. I would never.